Right. Good morning, everyone. So we have completed yesterday the most important topic, difference between print and printer, right? Now, let's quickly revise what are the points we have learned in first chapter. First, we have understood what is Java, and next, why Java, who invented Java, what are the softwares required to develop a program, installing Java software JDK. Then after that, we learn essential statements to develop a Java program. Then we have learned steps to develop, compile and execute a Java program. Then we have learned Hello World application development, compilation and execution. Okay. The next we discuss compilation and execution. Compilation and execution procedure. Next, we understood whenever you develop a program, there is a chance you may commit some syntax mistakes. Also, you may commit some logic development mistakes and wrong output. Then we will get what? Exceptions. So we have two types of errors: compile time errors and runtime errors. How to solve compile time errors and runtime errors by our own? How to understand, how to solve by ourselves? That also we got clarity. And next we discuss complete story about compiler and JVM activities. Also, we understood how JVM executes our Java program. To execute our JVM executes our Java program by three phases. Number one, loading. Number two, verifying. Number three, interpretation. Loading phase is done by class loader. Verification is done by bytecode verifier. Execution is done by interpreter. Interpreter executes line by line. Then it is a slow in execution. For speed of the execution purpose, JVM interpreter internally uses JIT compiler. And next, also we got clarity on JVM has four basic components. JVM has four components. What are the four components? Class loader subsystem, runtime data areas, and execution engine, JNI. Class loader is responsible for searching the .class files and loading into JVM. Runtime data areas are meant for providing memory to store the bytecode and execute logic. Execution engine is responsible for running the logic. Next, JNI is responsible for finding the native library and storing inside JVM memory. So that's what we understood about JVM architecture. Then we got to know just by knowing how to write a program is not sufficient. I need some more knowledge to write the program that is called escape sequence characters. What are the different escape sequence characters Java support? 9 escape sequence characters. Letters wise, 9 escape sequence characters. Digits wise, 8 escape sequence character 0 to 7. I have to upload these notes. I'll upload. Okay. And the most important escape sequence characters we use daily: /n, /t, /s, /single quote, /double quote, //. So these 6 we will use daily. Other 3 /f, /r, /b we don't use in our regular programming. That's why I didn't explain them. If you are interested, you can try for examples there in the material. Then next I started understanding more examples by using the Hello World program and also by using escape sequence character. Write a program to display your name. Write a program to display your name with stars. Write a program to display your name in 2 lines. Write a program to display your name with a single quote, double quote. So many examples we have tried. After that, we have understood difference between, okay. Also we understood Java 11 new feature. What is the Java 11 new feature? Running a Java program directly without compilation. Okay, without compilation. Okay, what is the syntax? Java space file name directly. And then next we understood what you call difference between, okay, 3 print statements. How many 3 print statements? Print, println, and printf. Next we understood difference between print and println. Print and println. And also we need to understand difference between print and printf. Okay, last class we completed difference between print and println. Also, we got clarity on difference between print and printf. But I need to explain you terminology. Let me try. So these are the 16 points. Also, we understood some theory points. What is that? What is platform? Platform dependency, platform independency, why C and C++, why C and C++, platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independent. Okay, so these points also we have learned. Okay, now let me try to conclude these 2 points. What the difference between print and printf, or difference between println and printf? Okay, observe here. Print method will print data as it is. Print method print given data as it is. Whereas printf method meant for printing the given text by formatting. F stands for what? Formatting. ln stands for new line. It will print with the new line. Okay, na? It will print by formatting. F stands for what? Format. Notes I will upload. Okay, don't worry about notes. Try to get the points into your brain. So today I will upload complete notes of all these 17 or extra points also we discussed. Almost 20 points we have discussed. All these 20 points from the day 1 to till today. 12 days we completed our classes, 2 weeks. These 2 weeks classes, complete notes I'll upload. Today, tomorrow, I want you to revise complete material. Just scroll down, okay? Don't sit seriously and don't by heart. No need to by heart anything. Java is such a easy subject. No need to by heart. If you are by hearting like your social math subjects, maths also you by hearted only, na? Hey, I know. A plus B all square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, A square plus B square plus 2AB. By hearted, I know. Okay. In academics, Java programs also you by hearted. How to find a given number, palindrome or not? For int I equal 0, int I equal 0, next word, right? You are hitting your brain, huh? So you by hearted programs, you by hearted everything in your academics. But in our institute, for software industry, the projects development, you must not by heart anything. You should start understanding and remember and reproduce. For that, just scroll main headings. Every topic will have main heading, na? Main heading only read. Try to recollect what I explained in the class and then read the words there I present in the material. So you have to recollect. Don't read, recollect what you learn. Heading read, recollect, verify what points are there, any extra points are there, check. That's it. Okay, na? Right. So now try to observe now. What is the difference between print and printf? There is already a clue given by Sun Microsystem to us. What is that? F. F stands for formatting. Print, printf. Print method will print the given data, text data as it is. Whereas printf method will print given text by formatting. Understood? Right. Then tell me, print method is easier, printf method is easier? Everyone should answer. Print is easier, printf is easier? Both are easy. If print is easy, printf is tough. Why Sun Microsystem given tough topic in Java? Then people feel Java is very tough. People will not use Java, na? Tell me, cycle is tougher, bike is tougher? Cycle tougher. Both are easy, both are tough. Bike is easier, car is easier? Both are easy, both are tough. Chicken biryani easier, mutton biryani easier? Both are easy, sir. Okay. It's a depend on the situation. Listen carefully. Now onwards, I'll ask this question many times. Which one is easy? Which one is recommended? Which one is bad? Which one is good? This kind of questions you will face in the interview. You should tell to interviewer, both are easy, both are tough. You should not say easy, tough. You simply should say, depending on situation, we have to choose. I want to print data as it is. Then what method I have to use? Print method. I want to print data by formatting. Then I want to print data in a single line. Then I want to print data and move the cursor to the next line. I want to print data in multiple lines. Then println. Print one line as it is. Println multiple lines as it is. Printf, not talking about line here. Printf method is meant for printing data by formatting. Is it accepted, all people? Sir, what is the meaning of formatting? I didn't understand. Can you explain more? Let us try one example. Yesterday already we have learned. Just only I introduced class printf demo demonstration. Public static void main of string array args, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside main method, I am writing system dot out dot print. I am giving 10. Did I write in double quotes? No. Is it a value or not? Yes. Will Java understand value? Yes. It's a number. Java understand number. Save it. Open. Command prompt. Java C. Printf demo.java compiled successfully and executed. Output coming 10. So tell me, whatever I am explaining with the print, same point is applicable for print ln also. Okay, na? But difference is print to printf is there. Now tell me, I am using, in place of print, I am using printf. What is the signature of the printf? Printf will accept the number directly? No. Printf accept only string. Why? Because printf should print given data as it is by formatting. By formatting it has to print. Tell me now. Printf 10 compiler will throw error. Printf doesn't accept it directly. It will throw error. Look. No suitable method found for printf. No suitable method found for printf of what you are passing 10. 10 is a what type? Int. No suitable method found for printf of int. System dot outer println 10. What is available? Printf of string comma object. Object means any type of value you can pass. Any type of value you can pass. Now try to answer now here, Adhyaksha. Print method not throwing any error, but printf method is throwing error. That means print method is meant for printing the given data as it is. Printf method is meant for printing the data by formatting. Print method is easier, printf method is easier. Print method is easy in this case. I told you, based on the situation, you have to decide. Current situation is what? I want to print normal data. To print normal data, if I take a printf, is it easier? Not easier? Not easy. Why? You should know extra code I have to write, extra knowledge I require. Then how can I write? I should ask the compiler to don't read this line. How can I say that? Format, comment it. And then down I am writing system dot out dot print f of first I have to use a string, comma, then I have to use what? 10. How many values printf method accepting? 2 values. First one always is what? String. Second one is number. Tell me, string means I have to write in double quotes. If I write just a string comma 10, is 10 displayed or not displayed? Everyone, come on. Not displayed. Always remember, I will give question following by 2 options. Second option is always right answer. Advainda Raja? I'll give question following by 2 options. Always second option is right answer. Whether you know answer, don't know answer, tell second answer. Then what is the use of telling second answer? First you are habituating, telling. That is right or wrong, why right, why wrong, you don't know, but you habituate telling. Tell me, in childhood, your mother is saying to you, bolo, dada, dadi, atta, tata, right? Do you know what the meaning of it? But you replied along with your mother, father, no? That means why they are trying that? So slowly you are learning how to speak the words. Okay, then after a few days completed, you will become perfect in speaking. Automatically you'll understand, oh, atta means this fellow. Tata means this person. Mama means this person. You don't know the meaning. Oh, he is what? Atta. Whenever somebody say go to Atta, then I go to this person. Connection will be created. Understanding will be improved. Okay. First only, anyways, I'm not understanding, sir. I don't talk, and you never understand. So start working. If you understood, tell your answer. If not understand, I don't know answer, sir. And a second option you tell. So tell me now, is this value printed or not printed? Not printed. Why not printed? Immediate question will rise in your mind. Whenever you say not printed, immediately your mind will ask, why not printed? If you say printed, it will ask, why printed? Further question, further connection will come to the next topic. It's not printed. Oh, this 10 is coming from printf or printer. For the first print method, 10 comes. Second printer, 10 is not coming. Why? Listen carefully. Printf method will not print this second value, will print only string. Printf method is used for printing the given string by formatting. Did you mention any formatting here? No. That's why this 10 is not printed. Now I am writing system.out.printf of double quotes. I want to tell to compile printf method, please print this 10 as what type? Int type. Then you write %d. What do you write? %d. Come on, tell me. Why Sun Microsystem didn't support C style of printing data? From which version onwards printf method is available? Java 5 version. Before Java 5 version 1.0 to 1.4, C style printf method is not there. Why? Because it's very tough. Extra knowledge you have to learn. If you want to print any data by using printf method, first you should learn there are 2 parameters will be there. There are 2 arguments I have to pass, and you have to learn what? %d. What is this %d? Understanding Java lines say very tough. Extra %d, %f, %c, and it's a confusion to the beginner. That's why Sun Microsystem hiding all these percentages nonsense, and they given a simple method is called what? Print. And tell me, Java is easier, C is easier? According to the situation, you tell. Java is easy. But C programmers, C trainers are telling what? Java very tough. Why? System dot, out dot. These are 2 lines are there. One more, Java very tough. They not understand properly. The system dot out is coming because Java is a object-oriented programming language. C is not a object-oriented. That's why you call directly printf there. But in Java, I no need to learn this extra format specifiers. Directly I can pass any data, it is printed. But Java, if you take C language, every time I have to modify this format specifier. Now %d is technically called what? Format specifier. Clear screen, compile it. Now the 10 will come. But where 10 is printing? Same line. Why same line? Because you have used print. Print method print the data, leaving the cursor in the same line. That's why it is printing in the next output is printing in the same line. Samajh mein aaya? Right. If I use a println here, if I use a println here, it will print in the next line. Control 1, control 2. Now I am using print only, but I want to print this 10 in the next line. What should I do? Where? In a print statement or in printf statement? Printf wanted to print data in the next line. Why? Print want to print next data in the same line, but I don't like print decision. I want to change my decision. I want to send my data to next line. What should I do? Use /n here. You can write /n everywhere, anywhere, either print or println and printf. Use /n here. Then 10 will be go to next line. Compile, execute. Understood? Now tell me, printf is used for printing given text by formatting it by formatting it. Formatting means the format specifier %d is replaced with the given value. Okay, na? Understood? Now tell me. Let's see. C is easier, Java is easier. Okay. System.out.print or println. I want to print. Okay, let me take println now. Okay, print only, no problem. I want to print 10.5. 10.5 is a floating point number, na? save it. Do I need to learn any extra content here for printing the other type of data? No. I want to print 10 printed direct. I want to print 10.5 directly 10.5 I'm printing. Now control 1, compile, execute 10.5 directly printed. Why it is coming here? Because here we print by using printf. Printf will print the data and place the cursor in the same line. No sir, next data I want to go to next line. Then write here one more slash n. Here also slash n, here also slash n. Between slash n, what is there? Percentage d. This 10 will be substituted here, percentage d. Understood? Clear screen, compile, execute. What you are getting now? 10.5 in the next line. If you find any difficulty, please let me know, okay? So that I will explain again. Online students, everyone understand? Let me stop in video. Now look at here. Also, I am hiding this point also, prompt colon. Prompt colon means the entire path will be hiding. Only colon will hide, show to you. Java C, print demo.java. Then execute because of this 10, it is coming here. Because of this, it is coming here. Because of this printf, nothing is printed. Because of this print, this 10 is coming. And because of this print, 10.5 is coming. Is it clear now? Now, let's see next point. I want to print by using printf. Can I directly give 10.5? No. I should use double quotes, comma. Can I give directly 10.5? No. I should use a format specifier. Ravi Kumar, please ask your doubt. I will repeat. Don't ask me repeat again. How do I know how much I should repeat again, which I should repeat again? Okay. What you want me to repeat, tell, I will repeat. Repeat printf and I will read again. Printf percentage d 10. I repeated. How do I know what you not understand here in this part? So please specify your doubt so that I'll explain 100 times, no problem. Okay. Tell me now. 10.5 I want to print. Just with 10.5 by right. Is it compiled, not compiled? Not compiled. Compiler software will throw error. No suitable method found. I have to pass how many arguments minimum? 2. What the first argument always? String. If I give empty string comma 10.5, will it compile? No. Okay. Compiled successfully, no error, but we will get what? What do you call it? 10.5. This is our print method 10.5. Now, what I should write here? Format specifier. What the format specifier? Percentage. Percentage D. If I write percentage D, D stands for decimal. Decimal and integer, na? Decimal means what? Integer. Save it. Now let's see what happened here. Will it compiled or not? Will it executed or not? Compiled successfully. No problem in compilation. Compiled successfully, but executed or not? Let's see. What is coming? Exception. Remember, a runtime error is called exception. Exception in thread main. Java.util. Illegal format conversion D not equal to java.lang.double. So tell me 10.5 is what type? Double type. According to Java, it is what? Double. D is not double. D is what? Integer. D is what? Integer. If you want to print integer, I have to use what? D. Array corner. Em chestuna? Em chestuna? బుక్లు ఎందుకు చూస్తున్నా? పెద్ద చెప్పు ప్రభావం, నాకు వినిపించట్లేదు. పెన్తో రాసుకున్నావా? ఎందుకు? నేను రాయమని చెప్పానా? మరి ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు? చెప్పు చెప్పురా, చెప్పు. ఏదో ఏదో కొంచెం చెప్పు. చెప్పింది చేయండి రా. మీకు నచ్చినవి చేస్తే తర్వాత ఏడుస్తారు. అర్థమైందా? నేను మొత్తం షేర్ చేస్తానని చెప్పానా లేదా? మరి ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు అంటే నన్ను నమ్మట్లేదు నువ్వు. తెలుగేనా? తెలుగాయి కదా అమ్మ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. తర్వాత నేను తెలుగు కాదని చచ్చిపోవాలి నేను మళ్ళీ. వినండి వినండి, ఓకేనా? రాసుకోవద్దు, నేను ఇస్తా కంప్లీట్ మెటీరియల్, నేను షేర్ చేస్తా. ఓకే. జావా హ్యావ్ 2000 పేపర్స్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావానా, కోర్ జావానా? కోర్ జావా, ఓకేనా? ఓన్లీ కోర్ జావా యూ హ్యావ్ 2000 పేపర్స్ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్. ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకెళ్తావా? ఇదిగో ఇస్తుందా, బుక్స్ ఇస్తాను, తీసుకెళ్ళి. బుక్లో రాస్తే బూడిదే. 22 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి రాస్తున్నావుగా, చెప్పు. 10th క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు లెసన్ అని చెప్పు. రాసాయిగా నోట్స్లు. 10th క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు వాట్? ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పరు, నాకు కూడా తెలియదు. ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు, వాచకమో అదో ఇదో ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు, సందులు సమాసాలు. Ravikumar, today is your first class. Did you join class late? Why you didn't join yesterday? Did you take admission today class? Late joining, when? Today? Yesterday? Did you join yesterday? Then you will not understand. Evening 6 o'clock, another new batch is started. Please join that batch, okay? Stop coming to this batch. Already programming started. We are advanced. Okay, na? Today also I explain. Currently I am explaining printf. Now I am explaining printf demo. What is the purpose of print? I am explaining, but you are not listening. You are keep on asking question, what is printf, why printf? I already told. Printf is used for printing data in a format. Print method is used for printing given data as it is. Printf is used for printing the given data in a formatted with format. If you want to display, I should use printf. It is a Java style, it is a C style. I keep on telling, you are not listening. Understood how? How did you understand now? Why you didn't understand early? You must be in the class before I join. Hey, why you are smiling, right? Understand a problem of online students? That is their wish. Whenever they want, they will join. They don't be on time to the class and later they will torture me. Now tell me. So, here percentage D will work or will not work? Will not work. I have to, this is a compile time error or runtime error? Runtime error. So, this is compile time error. CE stands for compile time error. This is runtime error. Runtime means RE. Now, for representing floating point number, we have another format specifier. What was that? What is that? Percentage F. Save it. Go to command prompt. Clear screen. Compile it. Compile successfully. Execute. Now we got what? I want to take this one to the next line. /f /n percentage F. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Okay, clear my point? Now tell me, like this, in our mathematics, totally how many different types of values we have? Number 1, we have integer. Number 2, floating point. Number 3, character. Number 4, Boolean. Avuna kada? Yes or no na? Yes or no anede values, okay? If I ask one question, yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes means what? Boolean. True. No means what? Boolean. False. So first one is integer, floating point, character, Boolean, and next what? String. Then how to represent integer? Integer is represented by percentage D. Percentage D. Right? Floating is represented by percentage F. Character. Super. Percentage C. Boolean. Percentage B. String. Percentage, yes. Chuddam. Are these specified characters will work or not? I also don't know, okay? I also don't know, will it work or not? Let's see. Clear drawings. And then now here I'm taking one print statement, system.out.printf of, I can write percentage. Nana, can you please stop? So, percentage D space, percentage F space, percentage C space, percentage B space, percentage yes, comma. How many format specifiers I have used? 5. Then how many values I have tried here? 5 values with comma separator. First one, 10, 20.5. Let me take it to the next line. Single quote A, true, double quotes ABC. Save it. Let's see, is it compiled or throwing any error? Compile, execute. Not throwing any error. 10. What is this? 10. 5 వస్తుందా? Okay. Slash. Okay. Thank you. Slash. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Now 10, 20.4. Hey, why this extra? Why this extra masala is coming? Percentage of format specifier is adding like this. I think in a C language, you know something called 2F. C, anybody know C? Printf, in printf method, we have how many floating point numbers can come? I can write 2 not 2.2F. I mean 2F will allowed. Clear screen. Compile. No. Point I should use. Okay, 0.2F. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Look at that. After that, how many coming? Now, next. Now, C means character, Boolean, and ABC string. So, these are the format specifiers. So, if I use, let me write both, percentage F and percentage .2F. So, 20.4, and again I'm writing 20.4, comma, say, so that you will understand both. Let me bring these also to the next line. Is it accepted or not? Let's see. Save it. Clear screen. Compile. Accepted. Execute. Look at that. If I use a percentage F, we are getting complete data. If I use a 0.2F, it is taking after point only 2 decimal numbers. It is taking two fractional portion. It is taking. Okay. So this is called format. Can I expect everyone understand now? Tell me now. If I want to print data by formatting, I have to use printf. I want to print data as it is. I have to use what? Now tell me, in our regular programming, are you using println, printf among them? What you are using? Println we will use. Print and printf very rarely we will use. Is it clear, everyone? But having knowledge on all the 3 print methods are important, and but mostly we will use println. Okay, look at here. I want to ask one question. How char A is coming? Because it's a character only, no? Jyoti Kumari. Single quote A. It is character only, no? Percentage is a refers character. What? Understood or not understood? System.out.println. Listen. there is a rule in using print method. Rule number 1. There is a rules in using printf method. Rule number 1. Please listen. Rule number 1. Printf can be a empty method. Can you call? Jyoti Kumari, can you unmute once? By typing, I cannot understand you. Hello? You want unmute or don't want unmute? Tell that at least. Okay, that's not waste time. Rule number 1. Can you use the empty printf method? No. Okay. If I use compiler throw a error, clear screen, compile it. No suitable method found for print. Printf method is a 1 value taking method or 2 values taking method. 2 values. Okay. Minimum 1. Minimum 1, maximum any number, your wish. Minimum 1. Now I am giving here 1 value, 10 directly. Accepted? Rule number 2. The first argument must be what? String. Rule number 2, the first argument must be string. If you pass directly value, compiler throw second error, no suitable method. Same compile time error, so no suitable method. Now first argument type must be what? String. I am giving string, say hi. Allowed or not allowed? Come on. Hi, only one string I am passing. Accepted? Accepted. If there is no format specifiers, what the first format specifier? %d. Second, third, %c. Fourth, fifth. If you don't mention any format specifier here, I just mention normal text. There is no special character, normal text I have used. Then now can I write here /n also? Okay, I will use the /n separately here. Let me write here system.out.println, one empty line I am placing here. Clear screen, compile it, compile successfully, execute. What I got? Hi directly I got. Clear my point? Can I use just a string? Yes. But is this string is meant for normal string purpose or format string purpose? Format. Now I am writing %d. Now rule number 3. If the string contain format specifier, I should mention it's a matching value. Save it, go to command prompt, you will get compile time error or runtime error. Compile time error or runtime error. Will compiler software know there is a %d inside? No. Compiler software algorithm is what? Search for double quotes found. Then again it is searching for what? End double quote. They call end double quote is found. Then between characters it is ignoring na. Compiler software don't know the meaning of %d. Compiler software ignore it. Who will know this %d? JVM runtime. At runtime, look at there is no compile time error. At runtime, JVM is finding %d matching value left side. I mean right side. Right side matching value there or not there? Not there. Look at there. I got what? Exception. But notice there is a twist. Hi is coming now. Hello, Adyaksha. This first hi for first. Look at there. First printf method. This printf method hi is this one. Okay, na? Second printf method, is there any problem to print hi? No. That hi plus this %d left side here, right side, is there any value there? No. Then what is printed? Exception. Missing format argument. For %d, should have a argument right side. There is no value. That's why we got exception. So what is the output you will get here? Only exception or output plus exception? Output plus exception. Please check once again what is the output. Missing format argument exception. Format specifier percentage D is called what? Format specifier percentage D doesn't have argument. Input is called what? Argument. Now let's go now to the program and check now. Now I am commenting this. Whenever you use the format specifier, compulsory you have to give value. Now I am giving value, comma 10. Tell me, any compile time error? No. Any runtime error? No. Go here. Jyoti Kumari, now I am removing you from the class, okay? You are not responding to me, but you keep on posting the questions. So you are disturbing the class and disturbing your friends. Shall I remove you from the class? Respond fast. Then what should I do now? Tell me. I am asking you to unmute to clear your doubt. You are not unmuting and you are putting the questions. What you are asking, I'm not understanding. What should I do now? You have two options now. Unmute and ask the question or keep silent. What is your problem to unmute, ma? Tell me, what is your problem? Type, no problem. Background problem. I'm not asking audio. I'm not asking video, only audio. Audio background voice is coming. I don't worry about, right? Noise, let come noise. You can speak, right? Then this entire class you cannot understand now. Did you join class late today? Did you join yesterday class? Then what is the problem? Yesterday I explained na percentage D, printf method. Your friends, you want to join your friend groups, but not join in my group. Yesterday someone said, YouTube group I will create, WhatsApp group I will create. Then you said, yes, I am ready. And now subject wise, you are not joining with me. You are giving importance to your class friends, but not to faculty friend. Okay, end of the class, you unmute and ask so that I can explain you your doubt, okay? When people got a doubt, you should ask me clearly. I told percentage D is a format specifier. It is a placeholder. By writing percentage D, we are telling to the JVM, in place of percentage D, substitute value. If you cannot join class on time, why did you join other class at the same time? You should wait, right? Our class timing is 9. Already I gave you 15 minutes grace time. 9:15 I am starting. By 9:15 also, if you cannot join, then why did you join 7 a.m. class? That's a wrong decision. Daily, if you miss introduction to the topic, then how can I understand complete class? So take correct decision, okay? Plan time properly. Now everyone tell me, buddy. Percentage D is a placeholder. Now in place of percentage D, is a percentage D printed or given value printed? Percentage D is replaced with the given value 10. Then finally, what is the output will come on console? High 10 will come onto the console. Clear my point? Now my question is, if I write percentage D, you already told to the JVM, oh, in place of percentage D, you put the value. Where is the value specified? No. Then what you got? Exception. I specified the value 10. What JVM will do? In place of percentage D, given value will be placed. Everyone understand? Now, I am asking the next question. So tell me, first of all, what is the output we will get here? Because of the statement, what is printed? High. Because of the statement, what is printed? High 10. High 10. Now, everyone, printed in the different line or same line? Same line. High 10. Compile it. Execute. Output coming. High 10. Okay, na? Now, I'm asking one new point. Everyone, Jyoti Kumari, you have to answer now. If I write here 10, 20, any problem? I written 10, 20. Problem? Everyone, last corner. Bhaiya, chepo. Problema? No problema? Enduku problem? Enduku problem? Notes రాయటం ప్రాబ్లమా నో ప్రాబ్లమా? ప్రాబ్లం. నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటే ఎవడు అర్థం చేసుకుంటాడు? ఎవ్రీవన్, ప్రాబ్లమా నో ప్రాబ్లమా? ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే. పప్పులో కాలు వేశారు. What did I told you? Don't show your talent. Don't use your brain. I ask you to apply algorithm. Did you apply algorithm? No. No. You are showing your talent with your own points. This is the output. Observe. First high printed. Second high, percentage D 10 printed. Okay. Third one, what did you ask? Print high percentage D. 10 substituted here. High percentage D printed. Katam. Amar, what about this 20? You didn't ask to print. Is JVM printing the values or printing the string? Printf method will print only string. It don't print the next values. Already explained here. Somewhere high, 10, if I write what is printed only? High printed. 10 is not printed. Why? Because there is no format specifier. So tell me, how many format specifiers I mentioned in the string? Those many values must be there, and those many values only will be printed. Ardhamainda? Really? Now I have used 1% D. How many values I have to mention after comma? Minimum 1. If I mention more than 1, ignored. Okay, na? If I mention here 2% Ds, how many values I have to mention left side? 2 values with comma separator. If I mention only 1 value, exception. If you mention only 1 value, exception. Now look at here. This point is very tricky point. Now tell me, I am writing here, comma here, percentage D, one more time I am writing. How many values will printed now? 2 values. Separate line, same line, same line. Compile it, execute. What is coming? First high 10, high 10, high 10, 20. If you want to print all values, those many percentage specifiers you have to mention. Show your talent now. I am writing here percentage D, one more. Then what happened? Only exception, output and exception. Let me do one thing for better understanding. I am taking here space at beginning. Now tell me, what is the output will be printed here? High, percentage D 10, percentage D 20. For this percentage D, there is no value. So you will get exception. Clear screen. Compile it. Compile successfully. Execute it. Dekho, what is output coming? High 10, high 10, high 10, 20, high 10, 20. And for that last percentage D, no value. Then we got exception. So printf method understood? Tell me, question number 1. By using printf method, can I print normal values directly? No. By using printf method, I can print only string. Can I print a string, normal string directly? Yes. Can I, if I want to print a string with the format specifier, then what is the rule? I have to use the format specifier based on the type of the value you wanted to print. Percentage D, if you write, what is the value I should write? Integer. Percentage F, floating point. Percentage C, character. Percentage S, string. Percentage B, boolean, true or false. As many format specifiers you have mentioned in the string, those many equal number of values I have to specify. That type of values I have to specify. Okay, now then format specifiers are replaced with the given value. Right to left or left to right? Left to right. First format specifier, first value. Second format specifier, second value. Okay, now if I mention format space, no, I didn't mention any format specifier, but I specify value right side. Are those right side values are printed or not printed? Not printed. Next, I have mentioned format specifier, but I'm not giving the equal number of values. Then any problem? Problem. Output plus exception. The string output plus exception you will get. Okay, na? Everyone comfortable? Next, should I write format specifier at the beginning of the string, or middle of the string, or end of the string, or anywhere in the string? Anywhere in the string, wherever you want to substitute the value, there you have to write format specifier. Can I write hi percentage D hello? Yes. Then hi percentage D value substituted 10, hi 10 hello will come. Understood my point? Along with the format specifiers, can I also use escape sequence characters? Yes. Then format specify place the given value substituted. Escape sequence place the meaning will be substituted. If I write slash n, next value go to next line. If I write slash t, 8 tab spaces will be included there. If I write slash s, 1 tab space, 1 space will be included. All the people are not comfortable with this. Tell me, which print method is easy for us to develop the code in the company? Print or println. I want to print all messages in the single line. Then print all messages by using print. I want to print all messages in the next line. Then print all messages by using println. I want to print zigzag. Sometime same line, sometime next line. Use a combination of print and println. Next, I want to print messages by placeholder substitution, value substitution, middle string. I want to print. Then you have two options are there. Either plus operator with double quotes and plus a combination, or printf with a format specifier. Is it clear? Then which one is easy? Reading wise, printf is easy, but coding wise, println is easy. Because tell me, I have written yesterday addition program, right? Let me open that addition program one more time for you better understanding. Am I going fast, Adiksha? Online students, all are replying. Look at this code. Open notepad. When you don't understand, post your question. If I understand your question, I will answer. If I don't understand your question, I'll ask you to unmute. By unmuting, I don't torture you. I don't ask any extra questions. I will answer where is your doubt. I'll find your confusion and I'll give clarity. Don't fear to unmute. Okay. Now tell me. Int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a plus b. Now I have two ways of printing data. What is the result I want? The addition of 10 and 20 is 30. That is the message I want. For that, I have two options. I can use a println or I can use what? Print. If I use a println, I cannot substitute in the middle of the text. I want to substitute value. What I should write? Double quotes plus variable name plus double quotes. This concatenation operator, double quotes plus combination I have to use. Whereas if I use a printf method, should I use plus double quotes combination or directly single double quote? Start with a double quote and end with what? Double quote. Wherever you want to substitute value, there you have to use what? Percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. All you guys understand? Then what happened here? Here A place, what is placed here? 10. Here what is placed? 20. Here what is placed? 30. And then now this double quotes plus is replaced and concatenated. Okay, na? Now tell me, if I write like this, what happened? Percentage D place first A place where 10, B place what? 20, C place what? 30. Now this 10 is substituted here. Percentage D replaced with what value? 10. Second percentage D is replaced with what? 20. Third percentage D replaced with what? 30. Then tell me, totally what is the string you are getting? The addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Here also what you are getting now? Same output. But the calculation will be different. Here, first variables are replaced with a value. Then this value is converted as what? String. Double quotes 10, double quotes 20, double quotes 30. And then completely one string will come. Understood? Only calculation will be different here, but the final result is what? Same. Then which syntax I have to habituate? Both syntaxes you have to habituate and learn. Now, which one is dynamic and fixed? This is dynamic and this is what? Fixed. Now tell me. Here, in place of A, I am taking double. Do I need to do any change in this line? Everyone, come on. No. Did I change the variable name? No. When I don't change the variable name, I don't need to do any change in this line. Should I do any change in this line? Yes. Yes. Percentage D place what I should write? Percentage of. Adhiksha, now tell me, in the company, whenever I am changing the data type, accordingly I have to modify print also, na? Will we use this variable only one place or many places in the project? Many places. Then I should go to every place. I should modify percentage to percentage F. Na? That's why Java doesn't support printf method in Java initially. Sun Microsystem told, worry, Intugura meeku percentage F already gave you println, which is a dynamic. When in future change the data type, you no need to modify. Automatically, I will take it as a double. If you use the printf method, time to time you have to modify percentage specifier. You will face problem. And tell me, now double to I am changing to char. Everyone, come on. Percentage, change it to char. If I change to char, and tell me, again I have to modify percentage here. Percentage to percentage. See, I modify char to string. Char to string also I can take. Okay, string also I can take. String also I can take. String also I can take. And tell me, whenever I'm changing from char to string, again I have to modify here. Yes. But required to modify here or not required? Not required. So tell me, final conclusion. Difference between print and println. Print and printf method. Print is dynamic, will display any kind of data. Printf is not dynamic. You have to time change the format specifier according to the type of the data. So what type of method is recommended? Println. Printf is a Tumri method. Okay, na? Knowledge is required, but final conclusion you have to come back what I should use. Can I hope all you people understand? Okay. Shall I quickly read all points in the material? Okay. It's a time. Now I have to reveal material. Okay. Close. All you people are in Google Classroom or still any of you are suffering? Offline student, all people are in Google Classroom? Anybody not there? Not there. Enduku? Iduboy నేను వచ్చావుగా నిన్న వచ్చావుగా మరి ఎందుకు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు నేను అడుగుతున్నా చెప్పేంద్ర బాబు మర్చిపోయావా online students, everyone there in Google Classroom? Okay, if you are not there, please wait till end of the class. I will share. Okay. Deleting this chapter 2, I will create again. Chapter 1, Introduction to Java, and this chapter is Introduction to Full Stack, Java and Full Stack. I'm not writing full stack Java, Introduction to Full Stack. Okay, already 2 images are there. I am removing them. I will add again. Upload. Please everyone look at here. I have material. Arey babu, nana, buji. Such a mindless people you are, na? This is chapter 1, 2, 3. Okay. All 3 chapters at a time I am sharing. Clear my point? Chapter 1, 2, 3. Complete PDF I am uploading. Everyone listen. Offline students, Monday I may start class late. In Google Classroom, I will mention the time. Monday I may or may not take class. If I combine, I'm going to my hometown and I'm returning early morning, Monday returning early morning. If I reach Hyderabad by 9:30, by 10 o'clock, I will take a class. At least 1 hour class also I will take. Clear my point? If I unable to reach here by 10 o'clock, then in the Google Classroom by 7 o'clock I'll mention. Sufficient? Class is there or not there by 7 a.m. if I said sufficient? Right. By 7 a.m. I'll post in the Google Classroom, class is there or not there. Clear my point? If a class is there, by what time also I'll mention. Clear my point? If you are starting from far distance, okay, if you at all come here, if I say suddenly if class, because traffic is also I have to consider, na? If I say by 7 a.m. class is there, but again by the time I'm unable to come, then silently go to lab and practice. Or else revise what I have explained. Go back once again your home, your room back. Okay. Don't get angry saying that if you don't tell, I would not get ready. Unnecessary makeup I have added. Okay. And I come to the class, this much time I have wasted my time. I would have continued sleeping. So don't get angry. Okay. 99.9999% I always prefer to take the classes. I don't take holiday. Okay. If 0.0001% if I am missing the class, you should not get angry. You should support me. Clear my point? So this is and online students, you don't have any problem. You are attending from the room only. When you join the class, if there is a board saying no class today, silently click on leave button and go. Only problem with offline students. Okay. Please look at here. In your childhood, 22 years back, in LKG, UKG, you learn letters A to Z. Na? Today in 2024, I am teaching letters A to Z. Any difference? I am teaching words, vocabulary, teaching the letters. Letters means what? Language. Language year to year changing, same language. Same concept, same order, same thing. There is no difference in the language. Where is the difference? Technology different, frameworks will be different. Olden days, struts. Nowadays, spring. Clear my point? And olden days, nowadays, what is changing in the language? Language is not changed. Features are changed. New features are coming. Okay. So why I'm taking this point? This material I prepared in 2000 some year. Okay, na? By seeing that year, don't feel it is a old material. Material is same. Now go down. Observe here. Learning project development by using Java. Olden days, there is no term called full stack Java, right? We have only a concept called what? Complete Java. So learning just Java is sufficient? No, because your target is going to company to develop the projects. So your approach of learning should be what? Project development. Project development by using Java is the course I used to give the heading. But now we have changed it to full stack Java with project development. Okay. In Java, this course is what? Complete Java, no? Core Java only? Core Java. Core Java I have to teach, not just core Java. I should prepare you for interview also. For that interview preparation required, two extra concepts are required: SEJP and JVM architecture. Already JVM architecture basics I explained. Today I have asked you question. Tell me, is it allowed or not allowed? Printf of 10, allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Printf of high, comma 10, allowed? Allowed. Printf of high percentage D, allowed? No. High percentage D, comma 10, allowed? Yes. Finding which is allowed or not allowed is nothing but SEJP. OCJP. This is nothing but interview. Sun Microsystem is conducting one interview exam. Exam as interview objective round question. That exam name is called Oracle Certified Java Programmer. Olden days, Oracle before Java is under Sun Microsystem. That's why exam name is Sun Certified Java Developer. Now Java is under Oracle Corporation. The exam name is what? Oracle Certified Java Programmer. I will cover core Java, number 1, concept level. What is print? What is println? What is printf? Sample program. Second level, I will take you interview. What are the different questions can be asked in the interview? What the different test cases will be asked in the interview? Third, project level. Project level means how this printf is used in the project. Is it really used or not used? Understood? So I will cover core Java at 3 level. Core Java first level, SEJP second level, JVM architecture third level. So all 3 levels I will use. JVM architecture nothing but project only. Core Java means concept, definition, sample program, compile, execute, see the output. After that, our learning started. What is that? Errors. What are the mistakes I can perform here? And tell me today how many already hello world program you learn 30 plus errors. Today with a println, printf method, we learn some extra methods. Tell me, can I call print method by passing 2 arguments? No. Println method by passing 2 arguments? No. Can I call print method without passing argument? No. Empty print method can I call? No. We got one compile time error. What is the compile time error? No suitable method found. Remember, did you add this error to your compile time error list? You have to add. Already 30 plus errors material you prepared, na? To that 30, 31. What is that? No suitable method found. Called println. Print of no parameter. No suitable. Println or print method with 2 arguments. No suitable method error. Printf method with empty, no suitable method. With value 10, no suitable method. With a string, no error. String with percentage D, no value, exception. No compile time error, runtime error. You have to add the list. You have to continue that compile time error, runtime errors list continuation. Daily I cannot remind you. Okay. This is what my style of teaching. As part of core Java, what will you learn? I have mentioned clearly. As part of SEJP, what we learn? Clearly I mentioned. As part of JVM architecture, what you learn? I clearly mentioned. Then what are the websites you have to follow? This is my websites. Okay, currently it's down. It will be up soon. Software industry. How many rounds of interview will be there? 4 rounds will be there. Written test round, technical round, project manager, HR round. All you people are here for writing academic exams, attending interview. Then you should have a knowledge on what levels are there, na? That's why I mentioned. In written test exam, what questions will be asked? Aptitude round and technical round. Next, in the technical round, face-to-face round, what questions you will ask? You have to speak. Look at the crying face. If I am asking to speak, you are crying, na? Look, if you don't speak in the classroom, you cannot speak in the interview room because you don't know how to speak, how to form the sentences. Correct my point? So that's why habituate speaking in the class so that interview will be very easy. Now listen carefully. Becoming just writing a programmer, getting knowledge on writing program, sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. You should think where is the compile time error, where is the runtime error. You should also speak. That means if you want to pass interview, you must become 3 people. Number 1, compiler and JVM. Compiler to find syntax, JVM to find output. Faculty and programmer. Faculty to explain the concept, programmer to write the sample program, and finally project designer to tell the project design of your project in the company. I am trying to make you all these 4 people if you support me. Are you ready? Thank you so much. Already you are supporting me so much. Without much time requesting, many people have suddenly changed. I don't know, such a wonderful batch I got. Will you continue this eagerness, learning into till end of the course? Let's see. Complete Java course division. Complete Java course division. I'm not talking full stack Java. I'm talking about what? Complete Java. Java language divided into 3 edition. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Amirpet core Java. Amirpet Java, 7 are there. Core Java, Advanced Java, Java EE, frameworks, XML web services, Java tools and design patterns. Listen, core Java you have to learn. Advanced Java you have to learn. Java EE gone. Just for your knowledge sake, I mentioned there, but it is gone. Frameworks, Spring, you have to learn. XML web services nowadays, part of framework only. Part of Spring only you are learning. Extra you are not learning. Java tools and DevOps tools. There is a module na DevOps tools. The DevOps tools are olden days we call Java tools. Design patterns also part of frameworks only you are learning, no extra course. So totally how many courses? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? Core Java, Advanced Java, frameworks, tools, Java tools. 4 courses only you have to learn, remaining or merged. Okay, making it simple day by day. And then what is the order? What is there as part of Core Java, Advanced Java I mentioned here? I will explain you later, not required. What are the courses you must learn? Already told you. Problem solving skills. This is a full stack Java. What are the courses you must learn to become project developer? What is full stack Java? Problem solving skills, logical programming skills, UI programming skills, database programming skills, object oriented programming skills, web programming skills, different languages, communication programming skills, nothing but fast development frameworks. That means these are the courses you have to learn. CRT, C with DS, HTML, Oracle, Core Java, Advanced Java, frameworks, XML, Java tools, design patterns. For freshers, this first box of 6 courses are mandatory. If you want to pass interview, these 6 courses are mandatory. As part of full stack Java, CRT, C with DS will not be there. These are the extra courses. If you are interested, you have to join. If you are already good at aptitude reasoning, if you are already good, no need to join a CRT course. If you are not good at reasoning and aptitude, you have to join. As a fresher, first round, technical round, you will find aptitude questions also. You know aptitude means arithmetics, reasoning. A, B, C. Next what will come? D. 1, 2, 3. Next what will come? 4. That is reasoning. 1, 3, 5. What next will come? 7. Okay, now that is called reasoning. C with DS means logical programming. Anyways, as part of Core Java, I will cover logical programs. If you feel that is not sufficient for you, you want more, then join C and DS. If you feel that is sufficient for you, you can explore more by your own. Don't join C and DS. Okay, right. Then remaining courses, obviously you have to join. What is the order you have to do all these courses? Already I gave you diagram. One more diagram I gave here. CRT, C with DS, HTML, Oracle, Core Java. All these courses you can start at a time. There is no dependency. But from Advanced Java, dependency is there. Advanced Java you can start only after OOP completed. After OOPS completed, Advanced Java starts with what? JDBC. After JDBC, Servlet and JSP, this is a full course of your Advanced Java. After completing Servlet, then you are going to what? Spring and XML web services course is completed. Star means mandatory courses, remaining all not mandatory. Then with that, we have completed our full stack Java, introduction to full stack Java, what courses in which order, how to do. Then starts with our Core Java syllabus. We divided Core Java into five units: Java language, OOP concepts, Java programming, Java API, Java project. As part of Java project, you have to use HTML, Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle. But in Core Java, I mean, in our particular Java project in Core Java, are using HTML, Advanced Java, Oracle? No, we are using only Core Java, and we will develop all 3 layers: UI, programming, database, everything we can develop. Then I have given option what? By end of this course completed, you must become a full stack developer. Listen, Nana, this is in which year this entire story is there? 2007 material it is. Look at the date. Advaita Raja, what is this? 2024. Tell me, I am such a old faculty. from the, ante when Ameerpet is not having the word called full stack, I started using full stack because I'm a working employee. Understood? But management, admins, students feeling that I'm teaching only core Java. Okay? Your batch is the first batch officially announced for me full stack Java development. Earlier, I was not in full stack Java development. I was teaching only core Java. What is the difference between full stack Java and core Java? Full stack Java has the limitations to teach. Core Java means no limitations. Open to sky, you can learn. Okay? So then why you come here, sir? Because students are not coming. Understood a problem? Students are feeling now, students, if I use the core Java term, people are feeling that is different course. That is not my course. If I use full stack Java, this is my course. Understood? That's why I forcibly came into full stack Java to teach core Java. Earlier, people are taking full stack Java admission, also taking admission to my core Java by paying extra fees, 2,500. Original fees how much? 3,500. Again, full stack Java admission taken students are coming to my course. Then I understood why extra fees you are paying, unnecessary money waste. Always I'm thinking about your parents only. Then I requested management, sir, two problems are there. Number one, when we are announcing core Java, students feeling that is a different course. Number two, extra fees paying, I'm not liking. So let me start the course name as what? Full stack Java as per market. So I'm such a old faculty. When people don't know about full stack Java, I have already introduced full stack Java in the market. Clear my point? Right. So this is the story, Nana. Believe me. Then next. Now this is our full stack Java introduction to Java. Introduction to Java, actually I divided into 5 sections, sir. Introduction to Java is such a big chapter. I divide into five sections. Part 1, Java history. Please listen, very important. I'm giving you a lot of information. Please, everyone. What is Java? Why? Who invented? Prerequisites, Java history, features, Java abbreviation, Java version, definition of Java, where Java is used, when Java is used, and when C is used, when Java is used, and when Python is used. These 10 points comes under what? Java history. Did I explain all these 3 points in your class? No. Yes, sir. Where I explain? Prerequisites to Java, no prerequisites. You can start Java is your first language. Did I explain Java history? No. Did I explain Java features? No. Java abbreviation? No. Tell me, what is the Java abbreviation? JV Murray. There is no abbreviation to Java, but Amir people has created one wonderful abbreviation. Just another virtual approach. Okay. There is no abbreviation. Then versions and release date I explained. Where Java is used, I explained. When should we use Java? When should you see? I didn't explain. I will share the missing content as a video for your practice. Can you take it? This is extra knowledge, not part of full stack Java, core Java knowledge. Okay. It's my interest. I want to give you extra knowledge. In your free time, when you feel boring, just watch it. Pakka, you will enjoy. No, sir, I will read and understand video taking time. Okay, happily read. All points are detailed, point by point. I have written clearly. Java history. First name of Java is Oak. And it is renamed as Green Project. And renamed as what? Java. Are catching my point? So, this outdated theory content which are not asking in the interview, I don't want to waste time. I want to use this time on advanced topics to explain. Are you following my point? To explain this topic, it will take almost 15 to 20 minutes. In that 15 to 20 minutes, if I explain some program or some Java new feature, then it will be more useful to you. Clear my point? That's why I'm just making outdated content, not asking the interview as a videos. I'm sharing it. If you are interested, watch it. Not interested, don't watch it. No way related to interview. Interviewer never asked this question. Okay. The next, versions and release date, Java features. Totally there are 14 features are there in Java. All 14 features one by one clearly documented here. Read it. If you not understand, want explanation, same explanation will be there. You can watch video. Okay, now go down, go down, go down, go down. Look at the diagram. What is this? Distributed application means what? Some explanation I gave here. These are all Java features. Then definition of Java. Where we will use Java? This one, applications I explained. Next, part 2, project design architecture. This one already have explained. Part 1, Java history. Part 2, project design architecture. Types of application, types of standalone application, types of internet application, Gmail architecture. The Gmail architecture or application is called what? MVC. Now, clear detailed documentation explanation I gave here for theory notes. You can follow it. This notes, I mean, this writing is also neatly, you'll understand if you little bit spend the time. Okay, don't complain on writing. Okay, this all, if you find a free time, only read. Okay, na, don't waste, don't spend too much time on this. If you find a free time, read, otherwise leave it. This architecture already explained. End user to browser HTML to network to servlet to core Java, JDBC to database. Okay, then Gmail architecture, how Gmail is working, 12 steps are there. All 12 steps I have explained here. Now I gave assignment to the students, that is Flipkart. Flipkart also he has prepared. MVC architecture, what is MVC, why MVC, how MVC, different parts in MVC, terminology in MVC. Okay, I have already explained, just notes part is here. You can see that. Just I am referring this material for your easiness purpose. Okay, why MVC is called MVC? You cannot find anywhere in the website. This is my analyzation. Okay, you can read it, you will enjoy. Ask your friends also in the in hostels or your friends. Software engineer skills. What are the skills you have to understand? Okay, Naresh IT website we designed. How should we understand real-time projects? Okay, some explanation I gave on understanding real-time project. And olden days, Java syllabus is very less. Now the Java syllabus, new features are more increased. So the things which are not asking the interview, just I have ignored. I gave the material. Interested people read it, otherwise leave it. Or else at least end of the course, you read this material. Okay, na? If you don't find free time now, end of the course. Java, exactly what is Java? Java editions. Part number 3, Java editions. Complete detailed explanation I gave here. Already you know, I have explained this point. Okay, Java edition, Java technology, Java syllabus. You will definitely fall in love while reading these notes. What is the order you have to learn? First Java language, then Java API, then Java technologies, then framework, finally project. Look at that. If you learn core Java, how wonderful your life will be. Java SC tree diagram. Once you learn core Java, on core Java, these many technologies are dependent. On core Java, these many technologies are dependent. Core Java straight line. Where you are going? Java EE. Okay. Now I want to go from core Java to Android. Core Java prerequisite. Core Java to iOS. Core Java required. .NET also you can learn by your own. PHP also you can learn by your own. Python also you can learn by your own. Kotlin is language for developing Android application. Pega you can learn your own. Cloud computing, AWS, Salesforce, SAP, ABAP, Oracle Forms, ADF, data science, Tableau, Power BI, next Scala, Spark, Hadoop, Selenium. Any technology using in your company project with the core Java knowledge, you can easily shift. That much powerful is core Java, but not Python. If you learn Python, you can only go from this branch to only one branch, that is data science. You cannot be a that much powerful programmer. If you are a core Java, you are a monkey. Monkey means any branch you can jump without fear, okay? And then finally summary I gave here. And then difference between Java SE, Java. With this, we completed 3 parts of introduction to Java. That's all about Java concepts. Thank you, Smiley. Java concepts and a Java platform. I didn't talk core Java. Up to now, I was talking about only Java. core Java, advanced Java, frameworks, everything. Then I move to the next one is what? Introduction to core Java. Common terminology used in all languages. Platform dependency, why C, C++, why Java, important facts, types of Java softwares, difference between JDK, JRE, installing JDK, setting Java home, difference between path and class path. All of these points I have explained. Part number 5. This entire notes clearly with the documents, diagrams is there. Okay, interested people can study. Go down. If you feel not required, already understood, leave it. Platform independency, architecture diagram, already have explained this. Notes part. They go why bytecode is called bytecode also somewhere I gave. It is the native language of JVM. Okay. Program development compilation. This diagram also you have written. Right, go down. Important facts on Java program, Java software, around 12 points are there. You can read it. You will understand everything I have already explained. Okay. JDK contains what? Development tools and JRE, JVM. JDK, JRE, JVM, JIT. JIT I explained yesterday. It is helping the interpreter for fast running. Java software installation. Now, how to set path, class path, I didn't explain, I'll explain. Difference between path and class path, I didn't explain, I'll explain. Look at the software is required for developing Java program. Part number 6, program development. Okay, part number 6. Then go down. Finally, we reach the end of the material. Java programming concept. Software is required. Basic programming. Essential statements. Steps to develop. Hello world application. Compilation, execution. And compile time, runtime errors. Some more examples. Entry questions. Okay, all points are there. Here onwards, I think I no need to scroll down. You can know it. Okay, Nadiksha? All points are clearly there. Again, you will send a message. Material, sir. Okay, so much of material. Print, println difference. Develop a program display below 5 lines. Go down. Difference between print and println. There is a big diagram I gave, explanation on system.out.println. Don't read, you will not understand. That day I tried, but people bounced. Look at that. What the page number, Nana? Print, println page number 85. 85. Java printing statements. Java has 3 print statements. Print, println, printf. Available from first version 1.0. Printf is available from 1.5. What the meaning of this dash? One argument, 2 arguments. Clear? Now, all above 3 methods are defined inside a predefined class. Which class? Print stream. This way defined. Okay, some more explanation I gave. Don't read. Don't read. These are you ignore. Okay, I'll explain separately. This diagram, flow of execution diagram, ignore. Then directly go to difference between print, println methods. What the difference? ln. It means new line. I gave some explanation here. Program, whatever I explained, diagram also I gave. Next, develop a program to display ABCD in 3 lines. Already we tried this program. Read, write above program to display same output by using only print method. That means what I have to use? /n at end. Now tell me what the meaning of println of B? Print of B plus /n. The other differences between print and println. Okay, print, no argument not allowed. Argument, no argument, println is allowed. Develop a program to display ABCD 3 different lines with 1 line gap. You have to use what? Println, empty line you have to use. Summary. Look at the difference between print and println. Hey, don't talk. Such a animal nature is bad. Okay. When I'm showing the points, other people are listening. You are talking. Disturbance, no? How many differences are there? 4. Print value, prints value and places cursor in the same line. Println prints value and places cursor in the next line. To display multiple values in the same line, we must use print. To display multiple values on different lines, we must use println. It has 9 overloaded methods. It has 10 overloaded. So what is the meaning of overloaded? Multiple methods with the same name is called what? Overloaded. SOP, no param, compiler leads to compile time error. SOPLN, no argument, no compile time error. Difference between print and printf. F stands for formatting. Print method will print given data text as it is. Printf method will display the given text in the given format by substituting given values in the text. For example, print of hi, what is printed? Hi as it is. Print of hi percentage d comma f, what is printed? Hi, this percentage d replaced with what? 5. Then how can we print the same hi 5 in printer? By using double quotes and plus format. Why we need printer when we have already print? Printf method is actually available from Java 1.5 version. Jyoti Kumari and some other student asked the question, why printf when you have already printed? And you answer. It is added to the Java language to make C programmer comfortable to use Java language. Tell me, for Java developer, printf required or not required? Why printf is added? To make C developers happy. Okay, actually printf is not required for Java language. Println can display data exactly as a printf can display. To make printing operation easy and to avoid usage of format specifier, percentage d, percentage etc., println are defined with overloaded forms. Printf method points. It is available from 1.5 version. It is given in Java to display data with some special formats as we are displaying data in C language. The method defined with 2 parameters. First parameter is string, second parameter is object 3 dots. Listen carefully. These 3 dots are technically called. Let's it. Let's it. Now tell me, these 3 dots are called what? Huh? These 3 dots are technically called what? Then why you're talking to him? That's why I'm telling animal behavior is very dangerous. These 3 dots are called what? Vararg. What we call? Vararg. Vararg ante, tell me, how many placeholders are we have? 1. This 1 can accept 0 to n number. That's why it is named as what? Vararg. Wherever you see 3 dots, you have to pronounce it as vararg. The second parameter of printf method is called vararg. It means it accepts how many values? 0 to n number of values. We can call printf by passing only one argument of string type and second argument is optional. Tell me, system.out.print hi, system.out.print of hi. Is it both are allowed? Yes. It is also printing what? Hi. It is also printing hi. If the string argument contains formatting specify percentage d, we must pass second argument. As many percentage d we have, those many arguments we have to pass. How many percentage d here? 1. How many percentage here? 2. When we run printf method with the formatting specifiers, inside the printf method logic, all formatting specifiers are replaced with the given value in the order from which direction? Left to right. The final result will be displayed as shown above. Rule in calling printf method as first argument string is mandatory, second argument is optional. If a string argument contain percentage d, we must pass second argument. As many percentage d's we use, those many arguments we are to pass. Identify compile time errors in this below program. Come on, everyone tell me. First one, wrong. Second one, right. What is printed? Hi. Third one, compile time error or runtime error? Runtime error. Output is hi and exception. Fourth one is no error. Hi and 5 will come. Fifth one is what? Error. What is the output? Hi, 5, exception. Fifth one, sixth one, whatever. Is it right? Yes. What is output? Hi, 5, 6. Now tell me, this one, last one, right or wrong? Right. This 7 printed or ignored? Ignored. Tell me, the matching will be done from right to left or left to right? How many format specifiers? Those many values are considered. Clear? Now difference between print and printf method table. Displays as it is. Displays by formatting. It available from 1.0. Available from 1.5 to support C language style. It is 1 parameter method. It is 2 parameter method. We can display a number or a string directly. We cannot display number. We must display only with a string combination with a format specifier. To display string and number, we will have to use double quotes and plus combination. Here we will use percentage d comma combination. Here what combination? Double quotes plus combination. Here what combination? Percentage DN comma combination. Below program will show you all difference between print and println. Here already gave the program. The common difference between print and printf. Printf methods don't have no param methods. Println have no param method. Println allowed. Printf not allowed. If you wanted to move control to the next line by using printf, I should use %n. Develop a program to add two numbers 5 and 6 display result as the addition of 5 and 6 is 11. I have shown you the program here. Please try to go through this program. Okay. And interview questions not required. I will cover these points in the coming classes. This is end of our first chapter. The second chapter start here. So totally how many pages first chapter? Century 101 pages. Ami brain blasting? First chapter 101 pages and coming chapter. Next chapters are small chapters. So 3-4 pages only there. Only first chapter, 6 divisions. Okay, 7 divisions are there totally. First one, Java history. Second one, project. Third one, Java editions. Fourth one, Java, core Java terminology. Okay, JDK software installation. Fifth one, Java Hello World program and its compilation execution. And sixth one, extra knowledge like, Hello World program, escape sequence characters, and then println. Totally 6 parts are there in the first chapter. All material I have uploaded. So what you have to do tomorrow? Take rest or revision? Sunday is a revision day. Now tell me, revision you have to do from first topic to last topic or last topic to first topic? Last topic to first topic, re. First to last if you do revision, again you are studying newly. Last to first you have to do revision always. How many times revision? 2 times. Last to first, first to last. 2 times you have to do revision. Will you do it? Monday class timing will be not 9. I will specify, I will mention in the Google Classroom. Okay, na? Hope all the people are in Google Classroom. People who are not in Google Classroom, stay back. Remaining people can leave for today. Okay, Monday we are starting logical programming. First section, Java fundamentals are completed. Monday we are starting second section, second unit number 2, logical programming. Happy weekend, happy revision. Thank you. And if you have any questions, stay back. Otherwise, you can leave. నా నంబర్ ఉందా? నీ ఈమెయిల్ ఇది పంపించు.
Java 8.
మిస్సింగ్ ఫార్మేట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. ఆ డబుల్ కోట్స్ డి పెట్టారు, కానీ దానికి వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా, అందుకని ఎక్సెప్షన్ వచ్చి ఈరోజు నేర్చుకున్నదే. ఒక్క నిమిషం.
11th వెర్షన్ లో కంపైలర్ అంటే జావా అడిషన్ డాట్ జావా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు మనకు వెర్షన్ వచ్చేసి జావా సి, అది కంపైల్ తీసుకుంటాం కదా, అది ఏ వెర్షన్?
అన్ని వెర్షన్లో చేస్తాం కంపైలేషన్, అన్ని వెర్షన్లో చేస్తాం. ఈమెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడు. సేమ్ అన్ని వెర్షన్స్ కి ఓల్డ్ ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మీ ఏజ్ 23, 22 ఇయర్స్ జరిగిందంతా వచ్చింది కదా, అర్థమైందా? న్యూ ఫీచర్స్ ప్లస్ ఓల్డ్ ఫీచర్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఏది వాడుకోవాలి, ఓల్డ్ స్టైల్ వాడుకుంటారా, న్యూ స్టైల్ వాడుకుంటారా, మీ ఇష్టం. అర్థమైనా? వచ్చిందా? ఈమెయిల్ చూడు, ఈమెయిల్లో ఉంటుంది. సెండ్ మీ ఈమెయిల్. యు నో మై మొబైల్ నంబర్. ఓపెన్ వాట్సాప్. Online students, please wait. Please wait. I will talk to you. Give me 5 minutes. Let me complete offline students' doubts. Yeah, Manish Gupta. I will teach every topic in deep only. I don't skip anything. Okay. Unwanted topics, I will share videos as extra content. And important topics required for project development, required for what do you call interview, I will teach in the regular class. Clear? I just separated. Unwanted topics, unimportant topics, I am giving videos not as a regular class. That's it. Okay. People, students who don't have any doubts and don't have any problem, please leave. This is the Google Classroom code. People who didn't join, please join now. If link working, click on link. Otherwise, type this code. Advanced Java, still we have a lot of time now. Don't think about advanced Java, think about core Java now. Anubhav, I will not change the class timings. 9 to 11 only will be there. Okay. I won't change the class timing. Everyone completed a joining into Google Classroom? Shall I wind up?